welcome back to my channel. I'm Victoria. And for you, my first time viewers who are joining me for the very first time, welcome to Smoothie Funday. Guys, today I have another healthy, delicious smoothie for you. This smoothie has loads of vitamin C, loaded with antioxidants, increase your blood flow, and perfect for your heart health. Today I'm making papaya smoothie along with some pineapple to it. Now, I know that I have male subscribers, love you guys, and female subscribers on my channel, and my channel will be nothing without you guys. And I know sometimes my male subscribers think I just only make stuff for my female alone. No, this is a healthy lifestyle channel. I made everything for both male and female alike. So this increases your blood flow. Where that for you guys, your blood flow is so important to you in that one little spot, especially when you're working in the bedroom. All of these smoothies are perfect for you. All I ask you to do is, if you're a smoker, please stop. So let me begin by showing you all my ingredients to make this amazing, delicious, healthy smoothie for you. So here are all my ingredients. First, here I have, this is half cup of frozen pineapples. This is 1 cup of frozen papaya. Here I have my collagen, and collagen is good for male and female alike. It gives you clear skin, healthy hair, nails, and it supports your joints. Chia seed, again, this is gluten-free. This is perfect for you, again, male and female alike. Hemp hearts, again, is so perfect where your health is concerned. Have the perfect names, Hemp heart. You can use it in your smoothie, also sprinkle it on your salad. I have my protein here, my protein powder, where I will be adding some protein powder in my smoothie. This is high in fiber, just as papaya is high in fiber. I do take my turmeric out just because I want my smoothie to have that yellow tone color to it, so I'm going to use half teaspoonful of turmeric in my smoothie, and my almond milk and 1 banana. Almond milk is optional. You don't have to use almond milk if you want to, but I like using almond milk for the flavor. Also, you don't have to use protein if you don't want to. You could use some honey. Make sure it's organic honey. Everything here, what you see here, they're all organic. So that's it. So let me begin by making this delicious smoothie. Also some ginger. If you have ginger, this would be perfect. Tasty. If you love papaya, you're definitely going to love this smoothie. This is so rich in fiber. So this smoothie will definitely last you all day. It will keep you full all day, especially if you're trying to lose weight like I am always trying to lose weight. So this smoothie is just a meal by itself. As you see, it's super easy to make. have a ton loads of vitamin and antioxidant and fiber, increase your blood flow, perfect for your heart, good benefit for your body. Now this will be in my description box, all the ingredients along with the health benefits, why you should have all of this for your amazing, all of your organs in your body do need this and will thank you. Oh guys, remember to hit like, comment, share and subscribe if you haven't already. Oh, and remember to follow me in all my social media. Now all my social media is linked in my description box. And also sometime in my comment, I've always been my comment, you guys should read my comment. You're welcome to reply to my comment too when you read it. I love when you guys communicate with me. It's just I feel so loved back and forth with you guys. That's a way of communicating with each other. Love that. And if you have a recipe that you so want me to make for you, remember to just leave a comment below. And I will be more than happy to make your recipe for you, as long as it is humanly possible. I love you guys. I know that you have 1,000,001 choices and you choose to come by me today, so I still love you. I can't wait to see you in the next one.